BLUM is set to launch, and I hope you have gotten yourself prepared for this airdrop. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what the pre-market price of BLUM is, what the listing price would be, and when BLUM is going to be listing. Let's go, guys. Now, it's no news that BLUM is affiliated with some major platforms like Telegram, and they've proven themselves to be dedicated to that project. So that is one of the reasons why people are hoping for a good outcome when it comes to BLUM airdrop. Now, currently, the pre-market price of BLUM is what I'm going to be showing you. Now, let's go to my phone screen and let's check those informations out one after the other. Let's go, guys. Now, looking at gate.io, you're going to see that the pre-market price on gate.io is 0.00446. It's actually going up. So when you zoom in to the chart right now, you're going to see, I don't know if you can see clearly right here, you're going to see over here that the chart is actually going up at the moment. So BLUM is currently priced at 0.004. Now, if you watch the last video that I made about the price prediction of BLUM, you're going to see that the price prediction I made there is not that far from the current pre-market price. By the time BLUM launches, BLUM is likely going to launch within this price range. That's for sure. Now, the next one is, what is the listing price? Like I said, I made a price prediction in the past video. BLUM's launch price will not be far from the pre-market price. Considering the fact that BLUM has a 100 billion total supply, the price is going to be within the range of this pre-market price, right? So we should be looking at 0.001 to, let's say, 0.008, right? Realistically, so BLUM would be around that price point, right? Now that that is out of the way, BLUM is a very massive project that is going to do amazingly well. It's something that we all know and we are all expectant. Now, many people have been asking this question that, considering the number of people that we have on BLUM airdrop, is the allocation going to be worth it? Now, that is where the problem is going to be, right? I've said this before and I'm going to say it again. I'm not big on the airdrop of BLUM, but I'm big on the project, right? I'm not really expecting much to happen on BLUM's airdrop, but I'm expecting something very solid out of the project. Like BLUM project is a nice one. So I'm going to actually keep a very close eye on BLUM's project as a whole, right? Not the airdrop. So now that that is out of the way, we are going to be considering the listing dates of BLUM. So personally, I think BLUM is going to be listing somewhere around December 2024. So you should get yourself prepared, because I feel they're going to announce their listing dates, which will be around December 2024. So you should get yourself positioned for this airdrop. And if you've not been mining BLUM, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So you go to that link. When you click on the link, it's going to take you to Telegram, and then you are going to get started and get yourself positioned for that airdrop, because you never know the one that will actually do well, right? Even if we think that BLUM is not going to allocate enough to the people that have been participating, we still should take part in it, you know. I feel that's the best and the thoughtful thing to do, you know. So guys, if you like this content that I just put out, kindly hit the like button for me, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to be getting content around airdrops and cryptocurrency as a whole. Kindly just subscribe to the channel, and that will be the end of today's video, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.